Top 5 Couples Getaway Destinations. A couple's getaway destination is a romantic place where partners can relax, reconnect, and create unforgettable memories together. These destinations often feature beautiful scenery, luxury accommodations, romantic experiences, and a peaceful atmosphere perfect for love and adventure. 1. Lucerne, Switzerland. Lucerne is a perfect romantic escape for couples, known for its stunning lakeside setting, picturesque old town, and breathtaking mountain scenery. Nestled on the shores of Lake Lucerne and surrounded by the Swiss Alps, Lucerne offers a magical blend of natural beauty and timeless charm. 2. Cape Winelands, South Africa. Cape Winelands is one of South Africa's most romantic destinations, famous for its rolling vineyards, majestic mountains, luxury wine estates, and charming countryside towns. Couples can enjoy breathtaking scenery, world-class wines, and unforgettable experiences in a peaceful setting. 3. Banff National Park, Canada. Banff National Park is one of the world's most breathtaking romantic destinations. Surrounded by towering Rocky Mountains, turquoise lakes, and pristine forests, Banff offers couples a perfect mix of adventure, relaxation, and unforgettable scenery. 4. Zanzibar, Tanzania. Located off the coast of Tanzania, Zanzibar is a dream destination for couples seeking romance, relaxation, and tropical beauty. With stunning white sand beaches, crystal clear waters, and luxurious oceanfront resorts, Zanzibar offers the perfect setting for an unforgettable romantic escape. 5. Krabi, Thailand. Located in southern Thailand, Krabi is a tropical paradise renowned for its dramatic limestone cliffs, turquoise waters, pristine beaches, and luxurious resorts, making it a perfect destination for couples.